Here is a scheduling and editing situation that happens to everybody from time to time. One of those things where Music One stops to show you an edit decision to make, and you think, what's going on here? In this case, I'm scheduling along, and it stops on an oldies category, and I've given only one choice, and that's this Jack Scott record. Now, strange thing about this is I've only got two Jack Scott records in rotation. This guy had just a couple of hits a long time ago, and one of them is already scheduled up there. So how come the next one is the only choice in the oldies category? Well, it's the last card in the card stack, and it's got to be either scheduled or flipped before Music One can continue. So what I do is jump ahead a couple of hours, get away from the artist separation problem, and I'll manually drop this Jack Scott in here and tell Music One to continue scheduling, and away she goes, and it does finish the schedule without any other problems. Let's go over and see what, I'm not going to save this schedule though here. I'm going to just close this out, and let's go see why those two Jack Scott records came up back to back like that. Let's click over to categories and to the oldies category and scroll down to the bottom of the card stack where they were. Now look, the two Jack Scott songs, I had just recently moved them into this category, and of course they came in back to back. New moves into a category always paste to the bottom of the category. Now what I should have done was to go and shuffle the categories, separate these guys. Let's do that now. When I shuffle, I usually want all four of these boxes clicked, shuffle, separate, clear the flags. Now that has spread Jack Scott equally through the list. There's 400 songs in that category, and there are at least 200 slots between those two Jack Scott songs now. So they'll never come up close together again. Let's rerun that very same schedule now that we have shuffled. Click the go arrow and see what happens. It finishes the day without any more edits, and Jack Scott will give us no more problems. When you add new songs or move new songs into a category, remember they always paste to the bottom of the stack. So if you're adding songs by the same artist, you don't want them all stacked up at the bottom of the stack there. Shuffle the category, separate the artist, and that will make for smoother and quicker editing sessions.